Hello and welcome to my beauty channel. I've been wanting to do this for a long time and I thought, new year, might as well try it. So I just have to say, disclaimer, if I look like I'm in pain in this video, I just got my appendix out, so I probably am in pain. But anyway, if you want to know how to get this look, then just keep watching. Hello and welcome. Here I am doing the eyebrow. The one eyebrow. The good eyebrow. So today I decided to use a pomade. So what I'm doing is just kind of outlining the brow and filling it in with the pomade and then blending it with the little spoolie brush. If you would like me to do kind of a more in-depth brow routine, I would love to. Just let me know in the comments down below. Okay, now you can't even see my brow. Okay, I am priming my eyelids with some concealer. You can use a concealer, you don't have to use an eye primer. So that's what I'm doing, that's what I always do. I'm blending it out with this cute little brusharoo. That's what I'm doing. Just priming these eyeballs of mine. I'm going in with the Too Faced Semi-Sweet Oldie But a Goodie. And I'm taking that white matte shade and I'm just going to set the whole lid shebang with this color. And then now I'm taking a fluffy brush and dancing. And I'm going to go in with the shade Bon Bon. No, it's Nougat. Never mind. And I'm just using this as a light transition shade. It's just back and forth, windshield wiper motions. That's what's going on in my neck of the woods. Yep. Alright, lots of blending. I'm gonna use the same brush and go in with this shade Mousse, which is a really neutral kind of color, and pretty much just doing the same exact thing. I'm just kind of building up some layers for dimension. This color is a little bit darker and it shows up a little bit better, but I'm gonna build that color up, and then I'm gonna switch to a smaller brush for more precision to keep it a little bit lower. This is a very warm color called Peanut Butter, kind of orangey. This is the warmest color that I use, and I think it kind of is the shade that you see the most in the look in the crease. So I am blending that into the lower crease. And so next I'm taking this cream eyeshadow pencil. Use whatever you got at home, and you don't even really need to use this. I just have it and I like to use it. It's kind of a taupey, purpley kind of color. I just apply it messily on the lids and blend it out with my fingers. Going in with the shade Rum Raisin, and I'm applying that directly on top of the top of that cream. That cream shadow we just laid down there, and as you can see, it's very similar to the shade. And I'm blending out the edges with the brush before, just so we don't have any sharp, weird looking lines. And then I'm gonna take this weird looking angled brush, and I'm gonna stipple the shade Pudding into that outer corner, and I'm just placing the color there with this brush because it packs it on really good. And I'm gonna blend it out with that other brush that's I've been using pretty much this whole video. And here I am doing a little wing liner action. Definitely am not perfect at this, but I'm getting there. Following that, I'm going to go in with the Loreal Lash Paradise mascara, and then I'm going to start on my foundation, which is the It Cosmetics Illuminating CC Cream, and I'm going to dot that on my face and blend it in with the Real Techniques Beauty Sponge, and it is damp, and it is cheap, and I like it. And this is the Tarte Tape Shape Concealer, and I'm going to apply that to the places I want a little more lightness and brightness, and I'm blending that in with my sponge. And after that, I'm going to take some powder and go over the concealer. This powder is from the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette. And then I'm taking the middle bronzer shade and just bronzing up my face. I love bronzing up the forehead. That's my favorite part. Doing a little side of the nose action, a little on the sides of the cheeks, and down the neck. Now I'm going to finish up the eyes. I'm going to take Colourpop's Mr. Bing eyeliner, apply that in there, in the waterline, and then I'm going to take mousse on a pencil brush and smudge out the lower lash line. You see how it just makes your eyes pop like ping. Then I'm going to add some lower lash mascara, which also makes your eyelashes go pang. Pang, pang. Pang. There you go. Now I'm highlighting just the very top part of the eyebrow curve and a little tip of the nose. Now I'm going in with these two blush colors from this Morphe blush palette, which is a good deal. And I'm blending that onto the cheeks here, and I get a little crazy, but I like blush. It adds some color to the face. And here I get a little, oh, oh. Now this is a hidden gem. This is like $3 or $4, this Essence Pure Nude highlighter. And it's more of a natural highlight, but oh so pretty. I love it because I can just put it like all over my face and it gives me a nice glow without emphasizing a whole lot of texture. And it gives me a little bit of color to my face too, which I need. I need a little color. Now don't be fooled, that is actually just water in a really nice spray bottle. I love to do this just to set the powder into my face, and I just feel like it gives you this flawless finish if you spray a little water and use your little sponge to blend it in. Now I'm having the hardest damn time trying to decide what lip color to use. This is a struggle every freaking day of my life. But I ended up going with my signature shade, Miami Fever from Ofra, which is like this burnt orangey shade, and I mixed it with a little Colourpop's Mama. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and yeah, lipstick is my favorite part of makeup. And that concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for more. If you have any requests, just let me know.